Parents, what did your child do that made you look at them completely different? My son was always lazy and careless, just lounging around all day. Then suddenly he started working 2 jobs, coming home exhausted. When I asked, he said, "I'm grown now, time to be responsible." One day at the hospital, a nurse asked me, "How's Jacob's treatment going?" I was shocked. Turns out my son was paying for his best friend Jacob's cancer treatment. At work, customers yelled at him, managers were harsh, but he stayed calm, worked hard, then took food to Jacob's house every night. I finally told him, "I know what you've been doing." He broke down in tears, saying, "Jacob's parents can't pay. If I don't help, he won't survive." That's when I realized the son I thought was just lazy was actually a true hero. And when Jacob rang the remission bell, tears of pride filled my eyes.